Hey guys, welcome to Telecom Fact Channel. This is Silambasan Chandran. Today we are going to discuss about evolution of mobile communication. Let me briefly explain about the contents. Evolution of mobile communication. What is wireless? 1G, that is first generation, 2G, 3G, 4G and finally 5G. Mobile communication evolution. This is a list of mobile communication generations. 1G first generation, 2G second generation, 3G third generation, 4G come LTE fourth generation, long term evolution, 5G fifth generation. What is wireless? The word wireless is dictionary defined as having no wires. In networking terminology, wireless is a term used to describe any computer network where there is no physical wired connection between sender and receiver, but rather the network is connected by radio waves or microwaves to maintain the communication. Examples of wireless systems are cordless phones, TV remote controls, radios, GPS systems and phones. 1G, first generation. The first mobile system in the market was AMPS. AMPS is an abbreviation of Advanced Mobile Phone Service. It is a standard system for analog signal cellular telephone service. It was introduced in 1980s and completed in early 1990s. Its speed was up to 2.4 Gbps. It allows the voice calls. Demerits are poor voice quality, poor battery life, large phone size, limited capacity and no security. This is a first generation architecture. 2G, second generation. 2G is a second generation cellular network. 2G cellular networks were commercially launched on the GSM standard in Finland. 2G network uses digital signals. It enables services such as text message, picture message and MMS, multimedia service. It provides better capacity and quality. GSM, Global System for Mobile Communication. GSM is an open and digital cellular technology used for transmitting mobile voice and data service. Operates at 850 MHz, 900 MHz, 1800 MHz and 1900 MHz frequency bands. It uses Time Division Multiplexes, that is TDMA technique, for communication purpose. This is a diagram for GSM network. BTS is an abbreviation of base transceiver station. BSE is base station controller. MSE mobile switching center. 2.5G. 2.5G is sometimes described as 2G technology combined with GPRS. GPRS is an abbreviation of General Packet Radio Service. Speed is 64 Kbps. 2.75G. 2.75G was used to refer EDGE. EDGE is an abbreviation of Enhanced Data Rate for GSM Evolution. Speed is 144 Kbps, that is kilobits per second. 3G, third generation. 3G technology refers to third generation which was introduced in 2000. It allows simultaneous use of speech and data service. Data transmission speed is increased from 144 kilobits per second to 2 megabits per second. Feature increase its bandwidth and data transfer rates to accommodate web-based applications, audio and video files. 3G uses WCDMA technology. It uses code division multiple access, that is CDMA technology, over a wide frequency band to provide high-speed multimedia data. WCDMA is an abbreviation of Wideband Code Division Multiple Access. UMTS is an abbreviation of Universal Mobile Telecommunication Standard, also called WCDMA. This is a diagram for WCDMA network. 4G, fourth generation. 4G technology refers to fourth generation, which was started from late 2000s. It uses OFDM, Orthogonal Frequency Division Multiplexing method. 4G technologies would enable IP-based voice, data, streaming multimedia at higher speeds, capable of providing 100 megabits per second to 1 gigabits per second of speed. Features are more security, high speed and low cost. LTE is also considered as 4G technology. LTE is defined to support both paired spectrum for Frequency Division Duplex, that is FDD, and unpaired spectrum for Time Division Duplex, that is TDD. This is a diagram of LTE network. 5G, fifth generation. 5G technology refers to fifth generation which was started from late 2010s. 5G technology is providing large broadcasting of data in Gbps, faster data transmission compared to previous generations, high speed and high data. 5G is more effective and more attractive. It uses OFDM and CP-OFDM and DFTS-OFDM modulation schemes. OFDM is an abbreviation of Orthogonal Frequency Division Duplex and Multiplexing. CP, cyclic prefix OFDM. This is a diagram of 5G network. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and share it. It may encourage me. Thank you.